In this guide, I'll show you how to teleport someone to you in Minecraft. So, the first thing you want to do is go to your world settings. Then, under World and Game on the left side, you want to scroll down on the right side until you get to Cheats. So, once you're at Cheats, you want to toggle on Activate Cheats, and then you want to go back to your game. So, press T if you're on PC. If you're on mobile, you'll have a little button at the top to open up chat and commands. And if you're using a controller, it'll be the right D pad button. Now to teleport someone, you'll notice this little slash we have here in the bottom left corner. If you click on it, it'll say teleport. So you want to tap on teleport, and then it's going to say who. So you should be able to see the player that you want to teleport to you. So I'm going to select this player, and then it's going to say where, and all you have to do is select your name. So when it's set up like this, you could also type it in if you'd like. Then all you have to do is send the chat message, and you'll notice immediately that the person is teleported to you. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.